everyone, welcome back to Blessings from the Garden. My name is Soraya and I'm going to plant out one of the alliums this evening. Now, what I have here are some leeks, and this is the only thing that we can plant on. So we have tried onion and yellow onions, red onions, white onions, and we have not gotten any success with those. So we tried leeks, and there are some little dark seeds. So we have planted some seeds and we have gotten a great germination rate. We have done some before, so we'll show you what they're looking like, the different stages. So stick along with us. So right here, a container that I'm going to plant them out in. A deep enough container because what I want is for it to get a good enough white stem that is the edible part, right? So what does it taste like? We don't know, but we know that it can go into soups and into potatoes. So we are going to plant this set out, and we are going to plant them very, very deep because we want the white stem. Alright, so I'm going to separate these, taking my time not to disturb or destroy the roots. And you can see the root systems. There they are. They do smell like onion, scallion, or green onions. These are some weeds that I'm taking out. Alright, so let me just select the bigger ones first. And this is how they are looking. So this is one of them. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to plant them very, very deep because as I said, the deeper you plant them, the longer the white stem will be. Alright, and that is the part that is very edible. So I'm going to plant them very deep. Here's another one. I'm going to put one more in. Trying to ensure that it's all the way down there. So it's very deep. And let's put 6 in this container. So I'll have another container that I'm going to also plant in, but I'll do that off camera. Okay, so we have 6 in this container, so the other container will mimic this one. What I'm going to do now is just the top dress with horse manure. Let me just water them in again. And of course you want to do the transplant way in the evening so they do not get any transplant shock. Alright guys, so this is the horse manure that I'm applying. This will give it some good nutrients to grow. Remember to start that garden one container at a time, and we will see you in the next one. Bye bye for now.